Check this shit out, guys. Finally bought one of these. I used to have one at my other company, but I mean I had to leave it because it was theirs. So bought another one, a Husky, so I don't have to carry a bunch of things at a time. So that's pretty dope. Alright, let me clean this up real quick. Yesterday I was at a job that I needed some fuses. Have everything labeled. Let me show you guys. Got all the little ones. Worked on a walk-in yesterday. Had a burn motor. Completely seized up. So throw this away, throw this away, this away, this away. Shit, this is full. Throw this. Everything looking nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put these right there on that corner, all stacked up. Now that I have my other rigid filled up the top, other side. So looking better now. More trash, more trash. No, that should be it. I was thinking about it. Might as well take this off, so I don't have to worry about when I get home. Cool. Alright guys, so I know I haven't been posting videos lately, and to be honest with you guys, I've just been super busy. Since I started with this company, I've been trying to take my time on every single call and make sure I do 100%. Because like I said, I just started here. But right now, I'm gonna wait to an exhaust that is making a really loud noise. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to take you guys along and see what we find. I love it when you park right in front of the restaurant. Get the ladder, go up through here. Oh yeah, I can hear the exhaust. It kind of sounds, it's the swamp cooler. Alright guys, so that's one of the exhausts and it's really, really quiet. That's the other one. And this thing's super, super quiet. I can hear the noise. Oh yeah. Alright, let me go ahead and open it up. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I bet you that thing is not, it doesn't have that lubrication inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I have some of that lubrication. Let me go ahead and shut it off first. All right, let me take the belt off. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna turn on the motor. If that motor's making noise, then that's gonna be my issue. If not, then it's gonna be the wheel itself. All right, cool. The motor's all quiet. So shut it off. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell, but that lubrication that it has already, it's done. Let me go ahead and open up the other side and see how the other side looks. Oh yeah, I mean this thing's completely dried up. I'm gonna go and see if I can put some lubrication on it. If not, I'm gonna go ahead and recommend to get the bearing. If they don't want to get the bearing, then I'm gonna go ahead and recommend to replace the whole thing, because that thing's pretty bad in shape. It just depends what they want to do, what's cheaper for them. Because I don't know if you guys can tell, but this thing's already all rusted out and pretty bad in shape. So yeah, let me go ahead and get the lubrication. I think I might have some, I don't know, but let me go check if I have some. If not, then I might have to go to the supply store and get some. I don't know, we'll see. Shout out to the local RSD. Got a free calendar for 2020. Let me show you guys what I picked up. Got some of these. Also got the little kit, and some of these little fittings, just in case for the future. Because I know I've seen a couple of them that are broken, so I feel it's pretty good to have. And some pipe thread. Alright guys, so looped it all up and we're good. Let's go this side. We're good. Also guys, I tried getting a new belt, but the supply store that I went to, they didn't have this type of belt. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on the recommendations. On this particular customer, we can only put the recommendations. We cannot go over and beyond certain things. Like the pads, I'm also going to put on the recommendation. The belt, because it didn't have it at the supply store. A maintenance, because this thing's completely trashed out. But like I said, we cannot go over and beyond because everything needs to be quoted out. Just like this. Look at all this. This thing needs a really good maintenance. And for some reason that electrical, it's right open. So, and I don't see the cover anywhere, so I can try and put it on. Oh well. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just recommend a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and just get them up and running for now and see what they want to do. But yeah, I mean, look at this. All bad. Let me see if this thing even has a model number yet. Yep, right here. Somewhere in here, serial number right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take pictures of everything just to keep it on the record. But okay, let me go ahead and put the belt on. Alright, let's turn it on. Huh? Then we're good, guys. I don't hear anything else. We're good. Pump is running. Give it a little shake. Clean it up a little. Yeah, I mean, you guys can just tell the maintenance hasn't been done here in a long time, so. Yeah, I think we're good, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it run for maybe 10 more minutes. Let all the grease go through, and then probably add some more, just to be on the safe side. Alright guys, I just added a little bit more. Let's turn it back on. Yep, we're good. So we're gonna put this on. To be honest with you guys, I'm super happy that the issue was the actual swamp cooler and not the exhaust, because I worked on these exhausts before and they're super bad in shape. Like, I mean, those things are ready to go. So I'm glad that wasn't the issue, that it was just that thing needed some grease. But yeah, I mean, these things are pretty quiet. I'm thinking that thing was vibrating so much and it goes down where the exhausts are at, so that's why I'm thinking they thought it was the exhaust. All the panels are on, power's on, nothing's dripping, nothing's on the way. We should be good. Like I said guys, if it was up to me, I would replace that those pads, done the whole maintenance on this unit. But the thing is that we cannot go over and beyond because everything has to be quoted out. I'm still gonna put the model number, serial number, pictures, everything. That way they can get quoted out for at least the pads or at least the maintenance. But like I said, this customer is super tight on money, so we cannot do things out of our area. But now I'm gonna go ahead and call dispatch and see what else they want me to do, and hopefully keep recording. So right now it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna go ahead and start building this thing up. It shouldn't take that long. I remember last time I did it, it was pretty quick. Got these. But yeah guys, just to remind you, not doing this in company time, this is during my lunch, so let's fucking build this. Alright guys, that was pretty quick. I'm not gonna put all the bolts, I'm too lazy. I just got enough. That should be enough. So looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting my stickers on it. But yeah, we're looking good. If you don't have one of these and you're working in the Bay Area, shit, good luck. Looking good. Now let's just put everything back where it belongs. Just put that there. I gotta clean that up tonight when I get home. All right, let's get out of here. All right, guys. So I just got a call from dispatch. I'm gonna head over to a restaurant and clean the condensers for the ACs and the refrigeration stuff. So I guess I just have to get it started, clean the condensers with coil cleaner, and then somebody else is gonna come back tomorrow, finish the rest of the maintenance. So let's go head over and take care of that. This is why I love putting all my coil cleaners, things like that, in a bucket, because that way you're not gonna have drippings everywhere in your van. Makes life easier. So I'm gonna need this coil cleaner. Unfortunately I don't get the Viper, and I know these units are the aluminum type, so I'm gonna have to use this. What else? That should be it. I got the handle in the front. Where's it at? Oh, right here. Like I said, guys, this is gonna be just a quick wash on the condensers, so it should be pretty quick. So I know they got 1, 2, 3, 4. They got 4 units, and as you guys can tell, they're caked. So that one's pretty bad. I'm also gonna go ahead and wash that condenser for the walk-in cooler and walk-in freezer. This ice machine, I installed this ice machine probably like a month ago. Yeah, about a month ago. I know I still need some stuff, so that's why you guys see that panel there. This one's, and then those 2. So it should be pretty quick. Oh yeah, and then this ice machine too. And I know a lot of you guys are gonna be saying, "Oh, don't use new bread on the aluminum foils." But to be honest with you guys, to get Viper cleaner out here in the valley, so a lot of them supply houses, they don't sell them for some reason. I don't know why. So this is what I have to use. If it was up to me, I'd be using the Viper one. But I mean, we gotta work with what we got. So yeah, let me go ahead and start and go from there. All the new guys that are new to the trade, anytime you guys need to use new bright, make sure you guys use gloves, because this thing, it'll burn you. So also guys, make sure you guys wear glasses when you guys are using this, safety glasses or anything like that, because if you get that in your eye, I mean, shit, good luck. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this one first. Let me take that panel off. Oh yeah, pretty bad. Also, for the new guys, anytime you guys need to use new bright, make sure you guys wash from the inside and outside. You don't want to leave none of that new bright in the coil, because then you guys are gonna start having issues. All right, let's get on it. Oh yeah, as you guys can tell. So I'm only gonna let it sit there for like maybe 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes, that's it. And go ahead and just use water. So let me go ahead and clean this little part, that way you guys see that little difference. So yeah, that's the difference right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the rest, try to get this thing done, because I legit live about 5 blocks from here, so that's pretty dope. Let's clean from the inside. Also, for the new guys, anytime you guys wash a condenser, try to clean around it. Try to leave it better than how it was when you got here. So guys, so here's the last one. As you guys can tell, this coil is completely clean, super clean. That's not oil, that's water that I was spraying on it to test it. But yeah, I mean, it's super clean. So like I said, guys, on coils that are pretty clean or almost new, all you gotta use is water. Unless it's the one over there in that corner that I had to use new right because it was pretty bad. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just put water on this, and that should be good. Usually on a coil like this, a V-shaped coil, I will take the top off, clean it from the inside out to be able to get everything. But since it's brand new, there's really no problem. Alright, so this one should be pretty dried up already. Also, I didn't shut the other ones off because they weren't running. It was just the blower wheel that was running, so that's the reason why. But this one's on. Let me go ahead and wait. We should be good. Also, guys, also for the new guys, anytime you guys use your coil cleaner, always remember to rinse it off. Should be good. On there. Also, guys, I like to clean out the jug. Cool. So now let me go ahead and just clean up that roof. Super important, guys, clean your roofs right after you wash coils. Alright, guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It was a quick, simple one again. So like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Till next time.